In this video, I'll show you how to upload files on Deepseek. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, if you head over to the Deepseek account, a file can be a picture, a document, a video, or anything, right? And if you want to upload any file you want, you can see from this text instruction only. Upload docs or images, max 50, 100 MB each. So if you click on this, right, we can either upload PDF, we can upload video, right? We can upload video, we can upload pictures. So any picture, any file you want to upload, let me say I want to upload, let me say this to downloads, right? If I click on it now, I'm uploading a document, right? Okay, I'm uploading an image. So files can range from documents, videos, image, and everything. So you can see, so I just uploaded this image right here. So this is basically how you can upload files on Deepseek. Get over to this, find anything you want to upload, right? Then once you're done uploading, it's gonna upload right here on Deepseek. If you find this video helpful, share it as well in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through the video. I'll see you all in the very next one.